From ActionableOps, here's the universal one. If a tool can post to a URL, it can talk to Hermes. These are webhooks. The webhook adapter runs a little HTTP server on port 8644. Anything that can send a post, GitHub, Stripe, Zapier, your own scripts, hits a URL like /webhooks/your root. Hermes checks the signature, turns the payload into a prompt, runs the agent, and delivers the answer wherever you choose. Turn it on with Hermes Gateway Setup, or set webhook enabled, a port, and a secret in your .env. Once the gateway is up, curl the /health endpoint, and you should get status OK back. Then you define routes in config. A route names the events it accepts, a secret, and a prompt template. The template pulls fields straight out of the payload with dot notation, like pull request.title. So a GitHub pull request becomes a clean, readable prompt, not a wall of JSON. The agent's answer can go anywhere. Set deliver to GitHub comment and it posts back on the PR. Set it to Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, any connected platform, and the result lands there instead. One event in, a response wherever your team is. Here's the money saver. Set deliver only to true, and Hermes skips the agent entirely. The template becomes the literal message and ships straight out. 0 tokens, sub-second. Perfect for plain alerts, a database change to Telegram, a Datadog alarm to Discord, a finished job to Slack. You can also create routes on the fly with Hermes Webhook Subscribe, which hands back a URL and a secret. And it's locked down by default. Every route needs an HMAC secret, requests are rate-limited and deduplicated. Since payloads are attacker-controlled, run the gateway sandboxed. That's webhooks in Hermes, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.